Hello guys, and welcome to this Thursday in our virtual science classroom once again. I hope everyone is doing really well. We're going to do a very short lesson today, and I'll explain why shortly. So let's go ahead and just jump to it right away. Today we're going to talk about case studies. Case studies are when you have an invention, but then you don't know if people are going to like it or not. So you have to present it to people. You have to let people try it, and then once they try it, they tell you their actual feelings. They could tell you they love it, they could tell you they hate it, but the most important thing, they're going to tell you why. They're going to tell you why they love it, why they hate it, and you can use that information to make your invention better or to completely start something new. Because there have been some inventions that have been so terrible that they've just been thrown away. Because people just didn't respond well to them. A perfect example of this was the Google Glasses. The Google Glasses were supposed to be this innovative technology where, as you can see the lady having them over here, you were supposed to be able to put them on, and then they'd create like a virtual screen in front of you, to the point where if you're following a map, it would tell you turn left right here. And if you look at like an object, it tell you like, this is how much this is worth, so on and so forth. So it was supposed to be like a cell phone, but you can put on as glasses so you can walk around and be able to see everything much better. They were supposed to be a huge revolutionary thing. But then they did a case study where they showed it to many people, and all the people hated it. They had a hard time working it. They said that it caused them headaches. They said that they saw blurry after wearing them. They said that they started having eye problems after wearing them. So Google decided to end the Google glasses right then and there. They're still working on a prototype, but it's still long from release. So we're still waiting for those Google glasses to become a thing. So anyway, in regards to that, let's go ahead and talk about our case study for today. We're going to watch a video. This is going to be the video. I'm going to email you a link to it so that you can check it out. After you're done with the video, we'll do the work for today. So the video is about an invention of cupcakes. Some people wanted to study how kids preferred cupcakes, either A, without any toppings, B, with M&Ms, C, with goldfish, or D, with gummy bears. So let's go ahead and watch this video to see what ends up being the result. Wait, did I skip one? Okay, so we're going to watch a video. At this point, I want you to press pause on the video, look for my other link, and then play it and watch it. Once you're done, you can come back to this video. All right, press pause in 3, 2, 1, go watch. All right, guys, thank you for coming back to me. So now that you've seen the video, you know that kids, found different results on the cupcakes after the case study. So now what you need to do today is I need you to give me a creation of a cupcake. All right, you're going to draw a cupcake to the best of your ability. If you need to, put it up on the screen and then trace it. And then you're going to put toppings on top of the cupcake and see where your invention may come out to, right? So you can put a maximum of 5 toppings, but remember, the cupcake is a small thing. You can't put too many things in there or too heavy things in there because it's going to collapse and it won't be able to be eaten well. So draw me a cupcake, put toppings on it. This is what it should look like, the cupcake, and then you would draw toppings on the cupcake, and then on the side you can write me the ingredients. You don't have to use all 5 ingredients. Maybe you can only put 1, maybe 2, however many you like, but you at least need to have 1 ingredient. You cannot have more than 5. Does that make sense? All right, guys, thank you so much for listening and for watching. And remember, no school tomorrow, so I'm not going to send out any videos tomorrow. Enjoy your 3-day weekend. Next video I'll send to you will be on Monday. Thank you so much, guys, and have a great day.